Tonight, members of the law enforcement community met with citizens over in Maids Park for a Know Your Rights presentation. WWAY's Taylor Yakowenko was there talking with folks on both sides about why these meetings matter. Taylor.
Daniel, the conversation tonight focused on ways to improve relationships between law enforcement and the communities they protect. Several people spoke out saying in light of recent events across the country and even here in North Carolina, many people are afraid of officers.
We need to know a little bit more about how our officers operate.
And that was precisely the goal of Thursday night's Know Your Rights presentation. Folks from the Wilmington Police Department, New-Hanover-County Sheriff's Office, and District Attorney's Office teamed up to talk with people about what their rights are in a number of situations.
I learned that there's a gap between how the citizens' perceptions of law enforcement to the reality of it.
The conversation Thursday turned toward the unrest between officers and civilians in light of incidents across the country, and more recently here at home in North Carolina.
Our black men, our women, that it seems as if we're targets in a sense to police brutality.
But how do you go about bridging that gap? Through discussion, both sides are trying to find the answers.
The dialogue between people. You know, if you know an officer, if you got a chance to know, for example, Lieutenant Johnson tonight and hear him speak, I think that people are much more comfortable if they see him out on the street, going up to him and sharing maybe something that was uncomfortable for them or something that they feel like was wrong.
Another discussion point, filing complaints when you see something happening during an interaction with law enforcement that you believe is not right. Assistant District Attorney Connie Jordan says law enforcement and the DA's office take those complaints very seriously, but they can't do anything about problems unless people step up and let them know when things go wrong. Daniel?
All right. Thank you, Taylor.